بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. We are continuing with the book At-Tasrīf Al Mulūkī by Ibn Jinni in the science of Sarf, out of the sciences of Arabic. عقد, principle, a principle. إذا كان قبل ألف التكسير وبعدها حرف علة وجاور ما بعدها الطرف قلبت الحرف الآخر من المعتل همزة، وذلك نحو أوائل أصلها أواول، فلما اكتنفت الألف الواوان وقلبت الأخرى من الطرف قلبت همزة، وكذلك عيل وعيائل وسيقة وسيائق. And then below. وهذا مذهب صاحب الكتاب وأبو الحسن يخالفه فلا يهمز إلا في الواوين جميعا خاصة. So this is extension of the principle. So إذا كان قبل ألف التكسير, so the alif of the جمع التكسير, the plural which breaks the form of the singular, when a alif is one of those breakers that breaks the form of the singular, and after and before. So this alif, which comes in the middle of the word to make it plural, it is preceded and succeeded by a waw, or two letters of illah, which is waw ya, and the bit after it is, so the harf illah which succeeds the alif, which is after it, is the second last letter. جاور ما بعدها الطرف. The letter after the alif is next to the end of the word, meaning it is the second last letter. Then the second harf al-illa will be changed into a hamza, like awail. So if you look at awail, in the word awail there is one harf al-illa. So originally awwalun, the plural of which is awail. So if I get the annotation, so over here there's a waw, there's two waws, and the second waw is a second last letter. It's not the last letter, it's the second last letter. And this alif has broken the scale of the singular, which is awwal. Awwal, the scale has been broken into awawil. The alif has broken the scale of awwal. So all these conditions are there. So then we will change the second hamza, the second waw, this one, into a hamza. No? This one will be changed into a hamza. So then it will become awail instead of awawil. فلما اكتنفت الألف الواوان, and when the alif is such that when the two waws are such that they find themselves to be on either side of the alif, and the second one of the two, the second one of the waws, or the second out of the two waws, the second one is the second last letter, it is close to the ending of the word, then it will be changed into a hamza. Like this is the word ayyal, the plural of which is ayail, and sayyiqah, the plural of which is saya'iq. Ayyal should have been the plural should have been ayayil. However, because of this rule, it will be changed into hamza and we say ayail. Sayyiqah should have been sayayiq, with a ya before the qaf. However, we will say saya'iq. Now what do these two words mean? Let's check the internet. So this is the verb. So we'll scroll down to where we can find. Sorry, it's ayil, not ayyal. Ayil. عيل الرجل أهل بيته الذين يكفلهم والجمع عيال. So it means your dependents who live with you. over here. أهل بيته الذي يكفلهم عيل رجل. So one plural is عيال and the other plural is عيائل, and it's also عالة. The second word was سيقة. سيقة. بسم الله. سيقة الجمع سيائق. السيقة ما يساق من الدواب. It refers to animals which are led animals. Let's see if we can find a better English translation. Bismillah. So this is a modern translation, which is صالحة للسوق. It is worthy of being driven, roadworthy. There doesn't seem to be any immediate translation on Al-Ma'ani. If you wanted to, you could check maybe other dictionaries like the Lane's Lexicon to find some sort of English translation. But we'll continue. هذا مذهب صاحب الكتاب. This is the opinion of the person of the book, or the owner of the book. Al-Kitab could be referring to, or should be referring to, Kitab al-Sibawayh. So this is the madhab of al-Sibawayh. He's the one who has written the book, which we call Al-Kitab, the book. Kitab al-Sibawayh. So that's a book in Nahu, from which a lot of these discussions, that's almost the origin of all Nahwa discussions. Allahu Alam. Wa Abu al-Hasan yukhalifu. Abu al-Hasan, he is against. He holds a different opinion. فلا يهمز إلا في الواوين جميعا خاصة. إلا في الواوين جميعا خاصة فإن تراخى الطرف بحاجز صح في القول جميعا وذلك نحو طواويس. So he does not change into a hamza except when both of the أحرف العلة preceding and succeeding the alif are waws. In the case when it is ya, like how we done ayayil and sayayiq, which became ayail and sayayiq, he will not change the second ya into a hamza. It says that's only for when there's two waws. فإن تراخى الطرف بحاجز صح في القولين جميعا. So he says if the ending of the word is such that it is delayed, comes later on, meaning there's two words after the second harf al-illa. I can use this annotation here. So over here there is two letters after the waw. So the waw is the third last letter. So when the waw is the third last letter, then it will not be changed into a hamza. It will become sahih. It will become sahih, meaning it will not change. The waw will stay as it is. It will stay as a true waw. Wa nawawis. So that's like tawawis and nawawis. So what does tawawis and nawawis mean? Let's check. Tawawis. جمع طاووس. جمع طاووس. And طاووس should refer to, let's just see, طائر حسن الشكل كثير الألوان يبدو كأنه يعجب بنفسه وبريشه ينشر ذنبه كالطاق يذكر ويؤنث. Refers to a peacock. A peacock. Search to Google. Yeah, it refers to a. Here it says a peafowl. I'm not sure if that's the same thing as a peacock. It looks quite similar. So that is a طاووس. The plural of which is طواويس. The other one is نواويس. نواويس. جمع ناووس. It's the plural of ناووس, like how طواويس is a plural of ناووس, of الطاووس. نواويس. الجمع نواويس. الناووس تسمية قديمة غير مستعملة تعني صندوق من خشب أو نحوه يضع النصارى فيه جثة الميتة. It's a archaic word used for a coffin in which Christians would place their dead. So let's see, let's search Google for it. Oh, it's so like it's more of a sarcophagus. Let's see what a sarcophagus is. We just want the definition. Is a coffin most commonly carved in stone and usually displayed above ground, though it may also be buried. The word sarcophagus comes from the Greek sarx, meaning flesh, and phagin, meaning to eat. Hence sarcophagus means flesh eating, from the phrase lithos sarcophagus, flesh eating stone. The word came to refer to a particular kind of limestone that was thought to rapidly facilitate the decomposition of the flesh of corpses contained within it due to the chemical properties of the limestone itself. So a ناووس is a sarcophagus. فأما قول الآخر, as for the statement of the another person, وكحل العينين بالعواود, and he decorated his eyes, or he placed kuhl, so a sort of stone eyeliner, in his eyes, crushed stone, they use it, kuhl. So he placed kuhl in his eyes, بالعوابر, using عوابر. Now let's check what عوابر means. عوابر. عوابر. Let's see if the عوابر is found on this page. Okay, first head back into the kitab and to see if there's anything in the footnotes. والعوابر جمع عوار بضم العين وتشديد الواو, الرمد الشديد. So it is the plural of عوار. Let's see if we can find عوار. العوار, we found عوار. عوار الجمع عواوير. العوار القذى في العين. It's the dirt inside the eye. العوار, it is the dirt that gathers in the eye, it seems, or the dust that gets into the eye. So in this line of poetry, he says وَكَحَلَ الْعَيْنَيْنِ بِالْعَوَاوِرِ, and he decorated his eyes with the dirt from within, or he placed kahal on his eyes using the dirt that is within. So let's see what he's saying about this. فَإِنَّمَا صَحَّتِ الْوَاوِ. So over here In عواور عواور in عواور the waw has not been changed to a hamza. So according to the rule, it should have been عوائر. عوائر. However, it was not changed to a waw because, as we had just done, if the waw is the third last letter, then the waw will remain sahih and true. It will not be changed into a hamza. And this word originally should have been awawir. So originally it should have been awawir. Awawir. With a ya. However, for the poetry, due to the need of poetry, it was shortened to awawir. And in awawir, it is the third last letter, and it should not be changed to stay true. Therefore, in the variation of the word awawir, which is awawir, it will also stay true. فحذف الياء ضرورة وهو يريدها. The ya was hidden due to necessity, and it was meant, it was understood or intended to still be there. And Allah knows best. We'll leave it there. Subhanallah bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. We ask Allah to make us of the rightly guided and those who tread upon the straight path.